Okay, so topic for the day is IPv6. Guys, IPv6 stands for Internet Protocol version 6. Internet Protocol version 6. So my first question to you is this: why we come up with IPv6? What is the problem with IPv4? What is the problem with IP version 4? Guys, problem is shortage of IPv4. Shortage of IPv4. How long IPv4 address is? It is an 32 bits address. It is 32 bits address. So how many IP address you will get in IPv4? 2 raised to power 32, around 4.3 billion, right? But if I talk about population of world is around 9 billion, right? And many people are using multiple devices, right? Your key of car is also using an IP address, because your car key is working on remote basis, right? You are using a smart television in your home, right? So your smart TV is also using an IP address. So there is problem of shortage of IPv4 address. So that's why we come up with subnetting. Then we come up with NAT, network address translation, and then we come up with IPv6. So today we will discuss IPv6. Today we are going to discuss simplification of IPv6, and in next video I will discuss types of IPv6 address, right? If I will talk about types of IPv4 address, so there are 3 types of IPv4 address. First one is unicast, second one is multicast, and third one is broadcast, right? So guys, first of all, I am going to compare, right, IPv6 with IPv4. Okay, so let's start. So suppose here IPv4 and this is IPv6. IPv4 stands for Internet Protocol version 4 and IPv6 stands for Internet Protocol version 6. First difference is it is an 32 bits address. It is an 32 bits long address, right? So you will get 2 to the power 32 IP address only. But if I talk about IPv6, so it is 128 bits address. Guys, it is much more than IPv4 address, right? 128 bit address. So how many IP address you will get in IPv6? 2 to the power 128. It is much. It will never end. Okay. So first difference is it is IPv4 address is 32 bits address and IPv6 address is 128 bits address. Now second difference is we represented IPv4 address in decimal, in dotted decimal, but we represent IPv6 in hexadecimal, So we will discuss about hexadecimal as well. But here one character of hexadecimal is consist of 4 bit, right? If I will write one character of hexadecimal like A or 0 or 1, right? Guys, this hexadecimal character carry 4 bits, right? So how many character will be there in IPv6? That will be 128 upon 4, because each hexadecimal character consists of 4 bits, right? So you will get 332. So we will use 32 hexadecimal character in IPv6, right? If I will write one IPv4 address, so IPv4 address can be like this: 10.10.10.10. If I will write one IPv6 address, there will be 32 character, right? So it will be like 1001 A B 2 3, right? Like this 32 character you will use in one IPv6 address. Okay, we will discuss about hexadecimal as well. Just wait for some time. Let me discuss some more difference between IPv4 and IPv6 first. So this is my IPv4. Here I am writing IPv6. So in IPv4 we have 4 field. We have 4 field, right? And each field carry 8 bits information. Each field carry 8 bits information. I am writing one IP address 10.10.10.10, right? So this is 32 bits address. In each field there are 8 bit plus 8 bit plus 8 bit plus 8 bit, right? So total 32 bits. But if I talk about IPv6 address, there will be 8 field. There will be 8 field. We represent IPv6 address in 8 field. Okay, and each field will carry how many bits? There will be 32 character, right? If you will divide 32 by 8, see what value you will get. 4. That means in each field there will be 4 character, right? Character like 10AB, right? So these are 4 hexadecimal characters. So each character consists of 4 bits. So how many bits are there? 4 bits plus 4 bits plus 4 bits plus 4 bits. That means 16 bits. So each field, in each field there will be information of 16 bits, right? So how many field will be there? 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16, 8 time, right? So there will be 8 field. So 16 multiply by 8 will be 128. 128. So it is 128 bits address. If I talk about IPv6, it is an IPv6. It is an 128 bits address represented in hexadecimal. Represented in hexadecimal. Each character of hexadecimal consists of 4 bits, right? And there will be 8 field. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? And in each field there will be 4 character like 1001 112A. It can be anything, right? Like B101 2132 A B C D 0000 0001 1002, right? And in IPv4 we separate field by dot, right? By dot. That's why we represent IPv4 in dotted decimal. But in IPv6 we separate field with colon, right? With colon. So here every field will separated by colon. So you can see this is my IPv6 address. This is IPv6 address. Fine. So how many field will be there in IPv6? There will be 8 field. In each field there will be 4 hexadecimal character, and 1 hexadecimal character consists of 4 bits. So that's why that's the reason it is an 128 bits address. So this is 128 bits address. Fine. Now let me discuss some more difference between IPv4 and IPv6. Guys, in IPv4 we have 3 types of address like unicast, multicast and broadcast. But in IPv6 we have also 3 types of address: unicast, multicast and anycast. Anycast. There is no any term like broadcast in IPv6, right? We will discuss what is anycast in IPv6 later, right? Don't focus much on anycast now, right? This is just a difference between IPv4 and IPv6. We will learn IPv6 in detail, don't worry. Okay, so now next difference can be, if I talk about the length of IPv4 header, right? When network layer will receive any data from transport layer, network layer will add one IP header. So size of IPv4 header is 20 byte, right? size of IP header is 20 byte, but if I talk about the size of IPv6 header, so size of IPv6 header is 40 byte. 40 byte. Okay, 40 byte. Now in header, in IPv4 header, right, there are 12 field. Am I right? There are 12 field like source IP field, destination IP field, protocol field, TTL field, and many more, right? So there are 12 field in IPv4 header. But if I talk about IPv6 header, right, there will be 8 field only. There will be only 8 field. We will discuss about IPv6 header as well later. Okay, so keep in mind that in IPv6 header there will be 8 field, right? In IPv4 there will be 12 field, right? And guys, in IPv4 by default security is optional, right? So IPsec is only optional in IPv4, right? But in IPv6 IPsec, wait, in IPv6 IPsec is inbuilt feature. Inbuilt feature, right? So inbuilt support, you can write like this, inbuilt support. So these are some difference from IPv4 to IPv6, right? Difference between IPv4 and IPv6. Now guys, let me discuss something about hexadecimal first, right? Hexadecimal, right? See, hexadecimal, there will be how many character? There will be 16 character, right? And the range of hexadecimal is 0 to F, right? Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, not 10. A means it is 10, B means it is 11, C means it is 12, D means it is 13, E means it is 14, and F means it is 15, right? It is 15. So how you will write 15 in binary, right? Guys, how to convert hexadecimal character in binary, right? We need 4 bits to write F, to write 15, right? Remember this formula: 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, and 2 to the power 3 is 8. Am I right? So what will be the binary of F? Binary of F will be, F means 15, means 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14, plus 1 is 15, right? So binary of F will be 1 1 1 1, right? What will be the binary of A? A means 10, right? How I will write 10? 8 plus 2, and rest 2 will be 0. So binary of this character will be, A character will be 1010, right? So this is how you will convert hexadecimal value in binary. So suppose I have one hexadecimal character, suppose A, B, 1, 2. Okay, so this is my hexadecimal character, right? What value will be in binary? How you will convert this hexadecimal value in binary? I am giving you 2 minutes. You can pause this video and calculate binary by yourself, right? Here I am going to calculate. So see, what will be the binary of A? A means 10, means 1010. B means 11, right? Means 1011, right? Because 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2, 4, 8, right? So to write 11, you need to turn on this field also, right? 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11, right? So this is binary of B, right? What will be the binary of 1? Binary of 1 will be 1 0 0 0. So 0 0 0 1. What will be the binary of 2? Binary of 2 will be 1 1 0 0. So 0 0 1 1. So guys, this one is binary of this hexadecimal value, right? Binary of this hexadecimal value is 10 10 10 11 11 000 1 00 11. So this one is binary. Now again I want to convert this binary in hexadecimal. You need to combine 4 character from right side. C4 wait 4 2 4 4 and 4, like this, right? Now what will be the decimal value of this binary? Will be 2. What will be the decimal value of this binary? 1. What will be the decimal value of this binary? 10. So 10. So you will write A in hexadecimal, right? So A, and here you will, sorry, it is 11, right? 1 0 1 1, it's 11, means in hexadecimal you will write B, and this one is 10, means A. So this is hexadecimal. So this is how you will convert hexadecimal into binary and binary into hexadecimal, right? Now guys, suppose I have one IPv6 address like this, AB12, AB12. We will separate each field by colon. This is colon. I will show you how to configure IPv6 address on the interface of router as well. Just wait. So this is one field, right? And 1001 colon 1123 colon 0000 colon 0000 colon 35AB, anything, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 1 3 2 4 1 A B C. How many field? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So this is my IPv6 address. This is my IPv6 address. This is a valid IPv6 address. Okay, now we have some simplification. How I will simplify this IPv6 address, how I will write in simple form of this IPv6 address. Guys, you can use dual colon. You can use dual colon to escape consecutive 0. Consecutive 0, right? Means in one field, if all bits are, or if all character are 0, this is hexadecimal character, and in other field you can see all character are 0. That means we have two consecutive 0 field. So we can separate, we can shift, we can escape these two field by using dual colon. What will be the short IPv6 address? Short IPv6 address will be AB12.1.0.1 colon 1123 dual colon. So this dual column will escape this two field, right? After that 35AB colon 1324 colon 1ABC. See, this one is my IP address. Guys, there is no any difference between this address and this address. Both address are same. Both address is same. Fine. Now we have something more as well, right? Suppose I have address like this AB12 colon 001 A colon, suppose here is double colon, and ABCD. Fine. So it is an IPv6 address. So how you will write this IPv6 address in full, in all field. So see how many field are there: 1 field, 2 field, 3 field, right? That means how many total field are there in IPv6? 8 field, and there are only 3 fields. That means 5 field are there between this dual colon. Am I right? So what will be the complete IPv4 address? Complete IPv4 address will be AB12:001A: 1234: 1234: 1234: 1234: 1234: after that A, B, C, D, right? So always keep in mind, you will not use dual colon twice, right? We can't use dual colon twice in IPv6. Then how you will identify that how many field are there between 2 colon, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? You can see there is 8 field, right? In the same way there is 8 field also. There is no any difference between these two IPv6 address. Both are same address, right? But if I have a address like this, $0.0001:00:00:00:00:1:2:3:4:5:6:7:8. Last one is this one, right? Suppose this one is also 0 and this one, right? So this is one IPv6 address. This is an IPv6 address, but we can't simplify it like this: AB12:4321:00:0001, right? We can't use dual colon twice in one IPv6 address, because how you will came to know that how many field are there between this dual colon and between this dual colon, right? So if you will use only one dual colon, then you can identify how many field are there between two dual colon. So this is a wrong IPv6 address, right? How you will simplify this IP address? Here you will use dual colon only, right? Either you can use dual colon here or you can use dual colon here, right? And suppose I have one more IPv6 address, that is ABC1:000:000:123:4:1234:1234:1234:1234:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4:13:4::dual colon, right? Where you will use dual colon? Where you will get more consecutive zero field. Here you can see here is 3 consecutive zero field, here is only 2 consecutive zero field. So my IP address will be like this: ABC1:, and we can simplify, we can skip left side 0 as well, right? We can write this value as 0 as well, okay? Colon 0 colon 1 2 3 4 dual colon 1, right? So these are 3 0 character, right, in left side. So that's why I can skip it, okay? So how you will write this IP address in complete field? ABC1:0 means there are 4 character, right, and all character are 0, colon 0 0 0 0 colon 1 2 3 4, and here is dual colon. How I will identify how many field are there? There is how many field? 1 field, 2 field, 3 field, 4 field and 5 field, right? And how many field are there in IPv6? 8 field, right? That means between these two dual colon there are 3 field. Am I right? So 0 0 0 0 colon 0 0 0 0 colon 0 0 0 0 colon, after that 0 0 0 1, right? So this is same IPv6 address. There is no any difference between this IP address and this IP address. Both are same, right? Now if I have a address like 0 0 1 2, fine, colon dual colon 1, how you will write this IPv6 address in complete field? See, first of all we can simplify it again as well, right? We can escape this 20 bit because these characters are present in left side, right? So it can simplify like this as well, 12.1, 12 colon dual colon 1, right? And how you will write in complete field? Again there is 12 means 0 0 12, right? And dual colon, how many fields are there? There are only 2 fields. And how many fields are there in IPv6? 8 fields. That means there are 6 fields between these two columns, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 0 0 0 0, after that 0 0 0 1. Okay, so there is no any difference between this address and this address. Both address are same, both address is same, both is same, fine. So this is simplification of IPv6 address. So how many long IPv6 addresses? It is 28 bits long address, right? Represented in hexadecimal, right? There are 8 field and each field carry 16 bit value, right? And 16 bit means there will be 4 character in each field. Am I right? So now I am going to show you how to configure IPv6 address on the interface of router. So let me open my packet tracer. Okay, so this is my packet tracer. Let me take CLI access and let me type no here, enable configure terminal. And guys, by default IPv6 service is disabled on your device, right? So first of all you need to run this command, IPv6 unicast routing, right? After running this command, IPv6 protocol will enable on this device, right? After that go to interface fast ethernet 0/0, then IPv6 address, and then whatever IP address you want to configure on this interface. Suppose my IPv6 address is F111 1/64/64. This is network bits. How many network bits are there in this IP address? Okay, and I can write this IPv6 address like this also, F111 colon 0 0 0 0 colon 0 0 0 colon 0 0 0 colon, or I can use double colon, right? How many fields are there? 1 2 3 4, right? After that 1, that means there are 5 fields, means between dual colon there are 3 fields, right? 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 fields, means in between dual colon there are 3 fields, right? So 3 fields are consecutive 0. Now you can type 0 0 0 like this also. Okay guys, there is no any difference between these two IP address, both are same. Or you can write like this also, 0 0 wait, like this. You can simplify, you can skip 4 times 0 with 1 0, right? But you can't use double dual colon, right? You can't use twice dual colon, pair of dual colon in IPv6. See, incomplete command. IPv6 address F12312B double colon 0001, or I can write like 1, right? So you can skip left side 0 as well. So 1 double colon 1/64. This is an invalid IP address. You can see incomplete command, right? So you can't use double pair of dual colon. Okay, now this is my valid IP address. So between dual colon, how many fields are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4 fields, means between dual colon there are 4 fields, right? Now you can verify it. So IPv6 interface brief. So command to check IPv4 address is IP interface brief, and command to check IPv6 address is IPv6 interface brief, right? And you can see. So that's all for today, guys. In next video we will discuss types of IPv6 address, then we will move on switching module. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit on like button. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Bye bye.